Welcome to our in-depth review of the Armony Marival Resort and Spa, a stunning 5-star haven nestled in the picturesque Punta de Mita, Mexico. This luxurious retreat, part of Accor's prestigious M Gallery collection, offers a unique blend of natural beauty and sophisticated comfort on the stunning Pacific coast. Let's dive into what makes this resort a standout destination for discerning travelers. First, let's talk about the accommodations. The Armony Marival Resort and Spa boasts an impressive 212 guest rooms and 56 suites, each designed to immerse guests in the local culture and natural beauty of Punta de Mita. As you step into your room, you'll be greeted by warm tones and rounded contours that create a relaxed, inviting atmosphere. But what really sets these rooms apart are the unique artisanal creations adorning the walls, including stunning examples of Huacal art. These pieces serve as a constant reminder of the rich cultural heritage surrounding you. Every room features a spacious balcony or terrace, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and stepping out onto your private outdoor space to witness a spectacular sunrise over the horizon. It's a kind of view that makes you want to linger over your morning coffee just a little bit longer. While specific room sizes aren't detailed, guests consistently praise the generous proportions and thoughtful layout of the accommodations. And let's not forget about those ocean views. They're the kind of vistas that make you want to cancel your flight home and extend your stay indefinitely. Now, let's move on to the culinary delights awaiting you at the Armony Marival. With 6 dining venues to choose from, your taste buds are in for a treat. The star of the show is undoubtedly Divum Restaurant, which takes the farm-to-table concept to new heights with its 0-kilometer ingredients. That's right, folks, we're talking about produce so local, it practically introduces itself to you at the table. The chefs here are passionate about showcasing the bounty of the region, and it shows in every bite. For those who like a little variety in their dining experiences, Essence Restaurant is a must-visit. This innovative eatery rotates between Mexican and Mediterranean cuisines, offering a delightful culinary journey that keeps things interesting throughout your stay. One night, you might be savoring authentic Mexican flavors, and the next, you're transported to the shores of the Mediterranean. It's like taking a gastronomic world tour without ever leaving the resort. Breakfast enthusiasts will fall in love with La Brise, where a sumptuous buffet awaits each morning. But it's not just about the food here. The ocean views from La Brise are so spectacular. You might find yourself lingering over that second or third cup of coffee just to soak it all in. And let's not forget about Drops Bar, strategically located at the Infinity Pool. Here, mixologists craft cocktails using local ingredients, creating refreshing concoctions that are perfect for sipping as you lounge by the water's edge. Just be careful not to get too comfortable. You might accidentally spend the entire day there. Speaking of water, let's dive into the pool and beach situation at Armony Marival. The resort boasts not 1, not 2, but 5 pools, including a stunning infinity pool that seems to merge seamlessly with the Pacific Ocean. It's a kind of pool that makes you want to perfect your Instagram game. Trust us, your followers will thank you. While specific sizes and depths aren't mentioned, guests rave about the ample space and variety of pool options. Whether you're looking to do some serious laps or just float lazily in the sun, there's a pool for every mood. For those who prefer salt water to chlorine, the resort is conveniently located near Destilatoris Beach, known for its natural beauty and pristine sands. While the exact length of the beachfront isn't specified, guests consistently praise the easy access to this slice of paradise. Water sports enthusiasts will be pleased to know that various activities are available, though specifics aren't detailed. But let's be honest, with views this gorgeous, even just lounging on the beach with a good book feels like an adventure. Now let's talk about activities, because Armony Marival is all about keeping you entertained. The resort offers a range of recreational options to suit every taste. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the well-equipped gym, though specific details about equipment and classes aren't provided. But let's face it, with the beautiful surroundings, even a simple jog along the beach feels like a luxury workout experience. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Milan Spa is a sanctuary of tranquility. With 7 treatment cabins at your disposal, you can indulge in a variety of pampering experiences. While specific treatments aren't detailed, it's safe to assume that the spa offers a range of massages, facials, and body treatments designed to melt away stress and leave you feeling refreshed. And let's not forget about the sauna and steam room, perfect for detoxing after a day of perhaps indulging a bit too much at those amazing restaurants. One of the unique aspects of Armony Marival is its biophilic architecture, which seamlessly blends the resort into its natural surroundings. This isn't just a hotel plunked down on a beautiful beach. It's a structure that feels like an organic part of the landscape. As you wander through the property, you'll notice how the design elements work in harmony with the lush vegetation and stunning ocean views. It's the kind of thoughtful architecture that makes you feel connected to nature, even as you enjoy all the luxuries of a 5-star resort. While the resort doesn't specifically cater to children, it's worth noting that the focus here is on creating a serene, adult-oriented atmosphere. This makes Armony Marival an ideal destination for couples seeking a romantic getaway or groups of friends looking for a sophisticated escape. The absence of kids' clubs and family-specific activities allows the resort to maintain a calm, peaceful ambience that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, Punta de Mita offers a wealth of attractions. While specific nearby points of interest aren't detailed in the provided information, the area is known for its beautiful beaches, world-class golf courses, and opportunities for whale watching in season. The resort's location on the Pacific coast also means you're perfectly positioned to enjoy some of the most spectacular sunsets you'll ever witness. Just imagine sipping a cocktail at Drops Bar as the sky transforms into a canvas of oranges, pinks, and purples. It's the kind of moment that vacation dreams are made of. Now let's talk about what really makes Armony Marival stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, there's that incredible biophilic architecture we mentioned earlier. This isn't just a design choice. It's a philosophy that permeates every aspect of the resort experience. The way the buildings seem to grow organically from a landscape creates a sense of harmony and connection with nature that's truly unique. Then there's the resort's commitment to showcasing local culture and artistry. From the hue call art in the rooms to the 0-kilometer ingredients in the restaurants, Armony Marival goes above and beyond to give guests an authentic taste of the region. It's this attention to detail and respect for local traditions that elevates the resort from simply a luxurious getaway to a truly immersive cultural experience. Let's not forget about the AAA 4 Diamond rating, a prestigious accolade that speaks volumes about the quality of service and amenities you can expect here. This isn't just a pretty face. It's a resort that delivers on its promises of luxury and excellence. While information about specific events and conference facilities isn't provided, it's worth noting that many resorts of this caliber do offer spaces for corporate retreats, weddings, and other special occasions. The stunning natural backdrop and high-end amenities would certainly make for a memorable event, whatever the occasion. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.